Interest in health and wellness is higher than ever. The global wellness market is estimated at $1.5 trillion, with an annual growth of 5 to 10%. Current forms of dietary supplement intake present multiple side effects, poor user compliance, and low bioavailability. Introducing Tanka. Tanka caters to the vast and growing population that prioritizes well-being and just wants to feel good. Tanka's groundbreaking bracelets revolutionize the way dietary supplements are taken. Tanka's patented and FDA-registered bracelets offer an innovative transdermal delivery of compounds and supplements, bypassing the first-pass metabolism. The disruptive delivery device is made of a unique polymer mixture that functions as a reservoir that carries active ingredients in it. Through a process that is both mechanical and chemical, the ingredients are released into the skin safely and effectively.
We are talking about a disruptive state-of-the-art delivery system. The steady and the slow release of the compounds into and through the skin using unique technology has been shown to be safe and effective for up to 30 days.
The European nutrition and supplements market size was valued at €61.8 billion in 2021 and is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 5.8% from 2022 to 2030.
Tanka is ideally poised to create a major impact on the European wellness and supplement markets, which are both in a hyper-growth stage.
Among others, Tanka's existing product line addresses many common wellness conditions such as stress, joint health, and migraines. Effective, waterproof, and hypoallergenic. The bracelet can be worn 24/7.
One of our guiding concepts is wear and forget, which taps into the state of mind of the busy 21st century user.
In addition to our ready for commercialization bracelets, and thanks to Tanka's disruptive technology, we are able to create new applications based on specific European market needs and demand. One of Tanka's new and exciting developments, supported by the Israel Innovation Authority, is the iron bracelet.
Tanka's innovation is not only present in the delivery system, but also in the very production process of the device.
Our unique proprietary compounding process, in combination with specifically designed molding technology, allows the production of virtually endless forms and shapes based on the European and global market demand.
The disruptive technology and the team behind it have been recognized by top-tier organizations. EU support will allow Tanka to extend the range of our innovative wellness products and expand our foothold in the European market. Tanka, just feel good.